Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a revised TDS return using Computax software. We'll start by understanding why revisions are necessary and the initial steps to take. You'll learn to identify common errors that require correction, ensuring your return is accurate from the outset. This foundational knowledge is crucial for a smooth revision process. Next, let's dive into the data correction process. You'll need to navigate to the specific section for TDS return revision within Computax. Here, you can modify any incorrect challen or deductee details. It's vital to double-check all your entries and ensure every change is accurately saved before moving forward. Precision here prevents future issues. Once your corrections are complete, the next step is generating the FVU file. Before doing so, take a moment to verify all your revised data one last time. Then, you can generate the new FVU file directly from Computax. Always check for any validation errors that might appear, as these must be resolved before submission. Finally, it's time to upload your revised return. You will submit the newly generated FVU file to the NSDL portal. After submission, confirm that it was successful and obtain your acknowledgement. It's very important to retain this acknowledgement for your records, as it serves as proof of your revised return filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.